Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use profile command. So let's see what are the profile command and how to easily use in CATIA. At first open CATIA software. Today lecture 3 discuss here a command is profile. At first open CATIA software. Okay, this is open a CATIA software. At first select a mechanical design and sketcher, and this new part is a click OK. This is open a CATIA interface. At first drawing a at first select a plane before drawing. At first select a plane before drawing. At first select a plane XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane. At first select a XY plane, and this is open all interface of CATIA. All 2D tools, 2D command show here, and today discuss here a profile. Okay, CATIA lecture 3 today discuss here profile. Okay, this is a profile. Drag here. Okay, one by one discuss here. First is profile drawing. This is any point. Click here at first origin point and click here this line and this line and any drawing curve, then select a click and drag a rectangle. Okay, this is a curve drawing. Okay, click here and select click another line and drag a rectangle type, so here and open. This is a curve. Okay, and okay, and this is a click and drag slowly a rectangle type, so here open. Okay, this is a curve type. Okay, double click here. Okay, this is a profile. Another type is a this is a line, another line, this any drawing a line, and okay, this is a okay, and a line, this is a drag a rectangle type and open. This is a curve. Okay, infinite line is so here, but double click and remove. Okay, this is all point is a profile is clear. Okay, lecture 3 is all only one point is clear, profile, and one another point is discussed here. Okay, this is a profile, any line, this line, this and this and this, and double click here, another line is typing here. Okay, this is a drawing, double click here. Okay, and okay, and mention any dimension. Dimension is a constraint. this constraint and any dimension, double click and dimension this point and double click, many dimension is show here. Okay, double click here. Okay, this point, 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 all mention this point, this point, double click and any all dimension is show here and select open. This is single point. Okay guys, don't forget subscribe, like, share this channel. Okay guys, thank you.